we will be demonstrating Superior's repair processes, which are the culmination of many years of research and development, and which have been field tested by a large number of well-qualified mobile technicians. These are currently the most innovative and practical repair processes in the industry, and we sincerely hope that you will enjoy learning these techniques in this DVD series. Here we have an example of a very typical repair in a cloth seat, a burn hole that goes all the way through to the foam. And because of its location, we're going to elect to use the reflocking method of repairing. We put the adhesive on the same way. Clean your palette knife. Put your velour fibers next to the repair and brush them across. Pat them into the adhesive. Obviously, we need a little bit more. Okay, the repair is nice and flat. We're not finished, of course, in disguising it. We have some lines to put in. So I think that's a repair we can be happy with. I have been a mobile technician now for about 22 years, and I've been with Superior Restoration since its inception. I have really enjoyed this business because it provides a much-needed service. In fact, there's an ever-growing demand for the repairing of vinyl, recoloring of leather, stitching of cloth, repairing dashes, and so forth. These types of services yield a very high profit in a short amount of time, and each job is rewarding in itself.